y'all can see, I literally forgot that I was supposed to film this video. I was filming the whole reel and stuff like that, but I forgot, like, oh shit, I'm supposed to be doing a whole YouTube video, so sorry about that. I was finna get started without y'all, like, girl, what? I did go ahead and section my hair off into, well, 3 sections. So let's get into it. As y'all can see, my hair is already blow dried out. I did love the results better when I did it on blow dry hair. All right, let's go ahead and get into this video, y'all. I have to do a voiceover because I did not realize how freaking loud the TV was. And it's annoying, so I didn't want y'all to hear all of that. So yeah, I'm taking my Lotta Body mousse, and this is the only product that I'm going to be using for this hairstyle. Right here, I'm separating that piece because it was too big. I like to do pieces that are not too big, but also pieces that are not too small. So I'm taking that mousse. As you can see, I'm putting more on the ends because this is going to be the key to let it stay. I'm not taking too much mousse on it. So what I like to do is just I start like in the middle, and then I roll the bottom first, and then I roll it up to the top. So let's just do the next piece. So pretty much I'm taking the mousse, I'm applying it to that piece of hair. I'm going to detangle it with the brush. Then I'm going to take my Flexi Rod. I like to start in the middle, roll that section first. Then I like to just continue rolling upwards with the rest of the hair, and then we're going to bend the Flexi Rod and set it in place. So this is pretty much how I would do my whole entire head. And I mean, of course, my parting is not perfect, but that's not really important. And I like to take the mousse as I go. If my ends are dry, I would just take extra mousse and apply it to the ends to make sure it's rolled in there perfectly and it stays in place. Y'all, this has become my favorite hairstyle. I told myself, like, this year I really want to get into really having fun with my natural hair, like how I used to back in the day. Okay, when my hair was colored, I used to have so much fun with my natural hair, trying new styles and stuff like that out. So you know, I want to do something, of course, with the red, something fun, something different. I'm like, okay, I never tried the Flexi Rod Set. Let's do that. So this has become like one of my favorite hairstyles. It's so freaking cute, and it's so quick and easy. I've always felt like this was a hard thing to do, and once I tried it, I'm like, this it? Like, this is easy as fuck. Like, this is so freaking easy. It's so quick. It's so convenient. Like, I love doing this than any other natural hairstyle, to be honest, because it's so quick and easy, and the results are just so stinking cute. Okay, like, I cannot wait to see how it's going to look once my hair continues growing out, because y'all know the more my hair grow out, the bigger the fro is going to be. So I'm like so hyped to see like how it's gonna look as my hair grow out. But I love this. At first I had to really get used to it because I'm like, is this really my type of vibe? Like, do I really like this? And that's how I am with any new style that I try. Like, it takes me a little minute to get used to it, and then once I'm used to it, bitch, I'm a bad bitch, period. So love this hairstyle, love the results. It's just so freaking cute, one of my new favorites. So yeah, I'm pretty much going to do the same thing for my whole head. So I'm gonna let you girlies enjoy, and I will be right back. I am finally done. It really did not take long. It only took long because I had music playing. How the back is looking. And they not as tight this time. Like the first time I did them too tight. So I'm gonna let these sit overnight. I'm gonna come back tomorrow so y'all can see the takedown. This is part 2 of the Flexi Rod Set. Before we get into this, I just need to let y'all know that I slept so bad with these shits in my head. Like, dead ass. Is you kidding me? So I'm just going to roll, opposite way. I'm gonna do the oil last. I don't mind the frizzy look, so yeah, I don't really take the oil and all of that. And I'm just going to separate the pieces and just like twist them. And I'm probably gonna end up twisting it some more at the end. Yeah, every time I do the blow dry method, it comes out so fucking cute. But the last time I did these on wet hair, because I was being fucking lazy, they did not come out right. They was crunchy. They was fucking crunchy, like, because I tried to be different and do it with like mousse and like a conditioner or whatever. Oh wait, we twisted that the wrong way. Girl, my hair came out so freaking crunchy. So yeah, instead of working harder, I'm just going to remove the rest of the Flexi Rods out first before I go in and just start separating one piece by one. So I'm just taking those out first all over my head. Then I'm going to go in and just separate it. And this is how it looks when I'm all done taking the Flexi Rods out. Oop, it's giving Jerry Curls, girl. So I'm going to go in and go ahead and just separate each piece using that same method, just separating and twisting it around my finger and just letting it go. So I'm just going to do that all over my head. Yeah, pretty much with this part, I like to just go in and just have fun with it and just do my thing. For me, it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't mind like the frizzy type of curly fro vibe. It just depends on my mood. So yeah, I'm just going in with each piece and just separating, doing that same method. And this is the difference how one side look from the other. Super freaking crazy, right? But overall, I just love the results of this hair. You will see me take a wide tooth comb to go in and comb the roots and just stretch it out a little more to make it more bigger. I'm going to end up shaking it and just fluffing it out. And like I said right here, as y'all can see, the roots are not perfect and you can't really see it. So like I said, having the perfect parts is not really, that deep because you can't see it anyway. So yeah, overall, love how this look. It came out so freaking cute. I just love how it looks. It looks like a bouquet of roses. Yeah, at this point, I'm just playing with it some more until it's to my liking. And yeah, just combing it some more, separate more pieces until I get the desired look that I want. Alright, y'all, this is it. This is the final look. I love it. It's like wild and like, I don't know, but it's really pretty. So I love it. It's so cute. Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to leave some comments down below. And don't forget to like this video because y'all know it helps me out a lot. And subscribe if you made it all the way through. And thank y'all for watching. I love y'all so much. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video.